Guys, for 10,000 subscribers.
We did it, chat. We did it.
Yes.
10,000 subscribers.
That's so many
I
subscribers.
can't believe it.
Yes, now we only need 90,000 more until we reach our goal of 100,000 subscribers.
That would be a dream.
That would be a dream. It's pretty short until we get 100,000 subscribers.
Yeah, we're almost there. But we wanted to do something very special.
Yes, to celebrate.
Yes. We want to celebrate the milestone. It's a big milestone.
Oh, yes. It's
100,000 subscribers only happens...
100,000? We don't have 100,000.
No, sorry. 10,000 subscribers only happens once.
Yes. There's crazy cat here.
Yes.
So if you hear cat noise, it's crazy cat.
Yeah, we have
it's
crazy
small
cat.
vibe cat and big vibe
But that's
cat.
not the reason why we're here, chat.
No. Yes, we are gonna be doing crazy challenge.
Yes, because we are so happy and honored that we have 10,000 Vibe Gang members.
Yes.
I still remember when we got 1,000.
Oh, that was so
And I still remember when we got 10.
Oh my god, this
But
is
now
so
we have
cool.
10,000 subscribers.
That's like so many people.
That's crazy.
Yes.
Oh my god, chat is going crazy. Oh, thank you, chat,
You
so
remember
much.
this is video also?
Oh, yes, it's also video. Yes, sorry.
Yes.
But,
Yes. Okay.
anyways, what we will be doing today is to celebrate this milestone.
Yes.
Is that we have... I will remove the chessboard.
Then we'll remove the chessboard so we can take the plate here.
Yes. Wait. I will remove the chessboard. I will put it on the plate. Yes. What do you have on the plate?
Yes, so we have plate with chili. This is chili. Yes. Do not try at home, guys.
Guys, do not try at home.
We are gonna be eating chili.
I don't know how spicy this is.
No,
They said it was 7 on the spicy scale.
Yes.
I don't know what that...
We don't have any milk at the house.
Yes, so we just eat chili and
We see what happens.
we see what happens. But this is all because of you, Vibe Gang.
Yes, because you all subscribe.
Because you all subscribed. I can't believe this.
Yes.
Chat is going crazy, and I think before we eat this beautiful chili,
Yes.
I'd like to say a few words.
Yes, that's a few words.
Chat and Vibe Gang as a whole, thank you so much for being part of our Eurovision journey.
Yes, thank you all for subscribing, and we're so honored that you are in the Vibe Gang. And
Vibe Gang is going it's stronger and stronger every day.
Yes, we grow bigger and bigger every day.
Until we reach
100,000 subscribers.
And then there will be a special video as well.
Yes, there will be one. Oh, we have the eye reveal.
I reveal at 100k.
People are waiting for it.
People are still waiting for I reveal.
They don't know how our eyes look.
Yes.
So I think we should
just eat.
I don't want to do this.
I'm scared. You can take a big bite. This is also live, so everything can happen.
Yes, people. If this is not video,
It's not video.
This is just live. People say good luck.
Thank you guys. Maybe you should be live on Instagram as well.
No. It's special for
it's YouTube fans only.
Because we're 10,000 on YouTube.
Of course, we don't have 10,000 on Instagram.
Okay.
3, 2.
How big bite are we taking?
I take big bite.
Okay, I take big bite.
3, 2, 1.
Not spicy yet.
It's said on the packaging, super hot. I don't get it. Is it supposed to be spicy later?
I don't know. Wait. What?
Maybe a little bit of spice. Maybe it's supposed to hit later.
Does someone in chat know?
What do they say? What is the chat saying? It's a bell pepper.
What's that? We're just two silly boys. We don't know anything, guys.
It's not spicy. What is this? Okay, I can fix this. We can put spicy sauce on it.
Yeah, go get something.
I will fix this, chat. No worries.
We need to fix this.
You will keep chat entertained.
I'm so sorry. Seeds. The seeds. Are the seeds spicy? Eat the seeds. Eat the seeds. Where are the seeds? Where is the seeds, guys? Where are the seeds? What seeds? I don't know where the seeds are. Inside. Ah, here I see seeds. Okay, I have seeds. I take the 2 seeds here. Do you see seeds? Seeds. Seeds and seeds. I eat them. There's nothing happening.
Oi, chat.
I tried eating the seed. I tried eating the seeds, guys. They told me to eat the seeds, so I ate the seeds, but that did not do anything.
It literally says, oi, chat this. It says, eat me, I'm hot. And we were like, oh my god, we're so scared. But it's okay, I fixed it. We have hot sauce. I will put it on.
This, okay, chat, you show them hot sauce.
Yes.
Is this spicy, guys?
This is the only thing of...
Tabasco, is that spicy?
It says pepper sauce. It must be spicy, guys. Chat.
Eat more seeds. Bro, the seeds did not do anything.
Bro, it's not April Fools. Okay, they said yes, it's spicy.
Okay.
Okay.
Put on it.
Okay.
Let me do it.
We just put lots of sauce. I think that will fix it.
Yeah, move. So, yes.
We're not faking.
We don't want to do spicy for you guys.
Yes, we put just lot of sauce. Yes, like this.
Okay, now we try. Tabasco is very spicy. What? Boy, it's not spicy.
I guess we'll just see. Some people say spicy, some people say not. We'll see.
We want to see. Okay, let's
Okay.
go.
3, 2, 1.
Yes, that's spicy.
Yes. Ooh. Ooh.
Yes, it's spicy. Oh my god. Yes.
Oh my god.
This is so
I need something to drink.
This is so spicy.
Oh my god.
Guys.
I love it. Oh my god. Do it.
Oh my god. Guys. Literally, guys. Oh my god. And my breath, guys. My breath. This is like.
Yes, me
Come
too.
to this day. Come to this day.
Oh my god.
This is so spicy. This is so spicy, guys. We don't have any milk
We
at home.
don't have
We
milk.
don't have any
I
milk.
only have water. Chat. Oh my god.
And I think water makes it worse. Hold on.
No.
Water makes it worse.
No.
Yes. Water makes it worse. Get the milk. We don't have any milk, guys. We don't have any milk.
Bro, chat, what the hell? And it's not because of the pepper. The pepper is
The
not.
pepper is nothing. This is just
This
Tabasco.
is the sauce I found upstairs.
My lips, guys. My lips.
My literal, oh my god, I can't believe this.
No, we don't want this.
Hvað er með?
Þetta útrunni mjölk.
Oh, yeah. Thank you. Oh my god, W chat. Okay, we did it.
Nei, þetta er alltaf góða, Magnús.
Our brother's trying to bring us something, but I appreciate them very much. But it's okay. Sing Róa. 3, 2, 1.
Róandi
Hér, róandi þar og í gegnum ölduna, það getur ekki stoppa mig af. There you go. Okay, that was fair. That was fair.
My lips are burning.
My
lips are
I'm
burning.
getting a lot better now. I think I'm pretty good now.
My lips are burning.
Oh my god.
My lips are burning. Bro.
I have it most in my throat. But overall, okay. We actually got some spicy.
Yes, we
things.
got spicy, so it's fair.
I think it worked out pretty fine with the
My
spice.
lips are burning, guys.
When we get 20,000 subscribers, we'll try something stronger. And next time we will make sure
We have very strong.
it's very strong.
My lips are so burning, guys.
I think his lips are burning, guys. But yes, this was 10k subscriber special. Eating hot stuff. Maybe one sip of this.
No, I don't want more.
Okay. Anyways.
Matti's lips, guys.
Matti's lips. Well, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Like, share, and subscribe.
Yeah, milk is cheating, guys.
Milk is cheating.
Milk is cheating, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.
Oh my god, yes.
And my lips are burning, guys.
I have it mostly in my throat, guys.
I have it in my lips.
Do not try it home. As you said in the title, do not try it home.
Guys, my lips. My literally lips, you know.
His literal lips, guys.
These are the lips that sing Róa, guys.
The raw lips.
The Róa lips.
Well, thank you guys so much for watching
this 10,000 subscriber special.
It was an honor.
Yes, it was great.
And we made the best out of it.
Yes, even though the pepper did not work.
But the sauce did work on the pepper.
Oh yes, and my lips, guys.
Well, thank you guys for watching. WChat, you are the best friends. And
see you guys
at 100,000 subscribers.
Yes, we won't see you until 100.